In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import videos from AliExpress to Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process from downloading the video from AliExpress all the way to adding it to your product page in Shopify. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause whenever you need to. To start, you'll need a Chrome extension that can download images and videos from AliExpress. Open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type AliDown, AliExpress, and Alibaba Images and Videos Downloader. You should see it appear as a Chrome extension. Click on it, then choose the option to add it to Chrome. Confirm any prompts that appear and wait a few seconds for the extension to install. Once it's added, you'll usually see the extension icon appear near the top right of your browser. Next, head over to the AliExpress website. Find the product whose video you want to download. This might be an item you're already selling or planning to dropship in your Shopify store. Click on the product to open its product page. Give the page a moment to fully load, especially the media section with images and videos. Once you're on the product page, the AliDown extension should recognize the content. You'll see its logo near the section where product images and videos are displayed. It may show options like product images, variant images, and product videos. Because we're interested in the video, click on the product videos option. The extension will automatically start downloading the video file to your computer, usually into your default downloads folder. Now that you have the video saved, switch over to your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side of your Shopify dashboard, look for the product section and click on it. This will show you a list of all the products in your store. Find the product where you want to add the video. Ideally, this is the same product or a similar one to the AliExpress listing you just used. Click on that product to open the product editor. Inside the product editor, locate the media section. This is where your product images and videos live. Click on the plus sign, then choose the option to add media. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder where your AliExpress video was downloaded, select the video file and click to upload it. Wait for the upload to complete, and once it's done, click Done. Finally, don't forget to click Save in the top or bottom corner of the product page. That will apply your changes and make sure the video is properly attached to your product in Shopify.